Okay, so you're looking around, you're trying to figure out what the heck's going on. Why are my cryptos now moving into the green? Or at least I got a little bit of a green bounce today. So that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to talk about what is going on and we're going to walk around the park. Promise to get you out of here in about 3 or 4 minutes. So stick around. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button if you would. That would help me out as well. I have one goal, and that's to help you navigate crypto and make a little bit more money today, tomorrow than you did yesterday. And today is a good day. Okay. So we've had this situation playing out for, and now it feels like forever, right? Where the crypto market has just been beaten down, and we've been in this 1.2 trillion ish dollar market cap overall. Okay, so we've got a nice bounce back up, 5.17. It was nice to wake up to that today. And Bitcoin well over 31,000. We're going to quickly look at that. Yeah, so it's actually right almost at its 24-hour peak. You can see that right there. So it's looking good and holding steady really, really nicely, up 5.5%. Ethereum coming back really nicely, and its 24-hour peak right at it as well. See, so both of these are trading both right at their peak, and it's come back from 1782 up almost 7%. Some other major ones that are worth noting is Cardano is screaming up at 11.7% up nicely. XRP up 2.5%. Solana up 11. So let's see if there's anything else that jumps. Avalanche up. Let's see real quickly on the 24-hour gainers. Yeah, so Helium and eCash, Loopring are all the big guys, but you can see it is a cautiously optimistic up scenario. In the top 100, the biggest gainer we have in the last 24 hours is only up 15%. So it's not like we have a runaway thing going on. So let's look at kind of what's going on here. Okay, so basically, weekend trading started to kind of gradually move up. We've moved more into the bullish territory right now. I want to show you real quickly that obviously, hey, we know this is going on, that the stable coins are going to start facing scrutiny because of the Terra Luna UST fallout. That doesn't really surprise me. This is what I wanted to focus you on. The next major resistance level for Bitcoin is at 34,000. Now, we have a tremendous amount of support way down here. Hopefully, we won't get there, right? And again, going back to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin really did, hold its own at the high 20s, right? It never really, I think it bounced down to 26.34 is the low that it had bounced back down to. But these are just kind of to keep your eye on. These are support levels if we do have a scenario where we back off of this or we start to see some movement back. Okay, so real quickly, kind of the other thing I want to walk you around is I look at Yahoo Finance quite a bit. It's the one that I just have used forever. And I wanted to show you that as of recording this video, Dow and future NASDAQ are looking pretty good. But this is what grabbed my attention. Consumers have to face the truth about nasty inflation. Here's what's really been going on, in my opinion. By the way, crypto fear and greed index right now at a 13. Okay, so still at an extreme fear level. So if you really want to kind of, to me, if you want to distill this entire situation down, you have basically fear in the minds of billions with a B, billions of retail investors across the world, okay? And, living here in the United States, I can tell you this, fuel costs more, right? It's dramatically up 30, 40% or whatever that number is, crazy numbers. It costs more to go to the grocery store, right? It costs more to feed my family as far as egg, milk, cheese, fruits, just your staples of every day. It simply costs more. And that leaves less and less discretionary money. Discretionary money is the money that you have left over after you paid all the bills: rent, mortgage, utility, food, fuel, etc. Okay, so you have that, and you have the media constantly talking to us about inflation. They're screaming at us, recession. They're screaming at us, which creates a lot of fear. Which does what? People are fearful, and so their action is to take no action. Simply put, keep their money on the sidelines. Now, so that's kind of what I think is happening now. Are we starting to see the beginnings of money coming back in? Hopefully so. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you, kind of give you an idea of what's going on. A lot of macroeconomic factors, a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the retail investor. That's you and I. Mine, there's billions of us. Okay, and that's why we've been really pushed down. There's other things, but those are the biggies. The macroeconomic conditions of recession fears, inflation, Russia-Ukraine war, supply chain, supply chain disruptions around the Russia-Ukraine war. Oh, by the way, supply chain disruptions around China and COVID and the continued fallout from that. We're still living with that. A lot of stuff. Good day though. Right now, we're going to celebrate that. That's what's going on, and I'll see you later. Have a good one. Bye.